In this video, I'm gonna unbox the goodie box for men. Hello everyone, Anna here, and today we will unbox the special limited edition goodie box. It was for my man, that's why it's already unboxed. He already looked into it, he really liked it, and now it's my turn to look at all the product it contains. I can tell you immediately it's quite heavy, and when we open it that there is quite a smell coming in, which smell? Mint maybe? Yes, mint. You have a small card. Here, congrats on your wingman. Maybe you got it from your sister, your mom, your daughter, or your boyfriend, your girlfriend, or maybe you actually just bought it for yourself. Well done you. I will assume wingman, that's just how they called their goodie box for men, because inside you have products from many brands. Let's open it. We will start with perfume. It's made in France. It smells fresh, not too manly, you know, like those rough smells. I think you will like it. The small tube, it's not a tryout of unknown perfume. You actually have this perfume on the internet and it looks quite popular. For 30 mils you will pay about 70 euro. So this is 10 mils. Yeah, you can judge, it's about 20 euro. It smells good. This is something we've already used. I think you can call it a substitute for Tiger Balm, but the very advantage of it is that it's in the form of a roll, so you don't have to get your fingers dirty in the Tiger Balm. Useful thing, my man already immediately thought that if it's finished we should buy more, and it's quite expensive, it's 18 euros I remember, so we will see if we buy more, but for now a good thing to have at home. The small tube, it's a power potion of tension release. So every time you feel like your muscles are tensed, you just roll it over your skin. It can be on your neck, your shoulders, or actually any place you feel that it's tense and needs some muscle release. It's made in Italy, and again the packaging, it's very convenient to use. And yes, it's Tiger Balm. Though it doesn't say Tiger Balm, so maybe Tiger Balm it's some brand you have to pay for. It says tension release Tiger Balm. Here we have some treatment shampoo. My man has a lot of hair, so maybe that would be for 2 times of washing his hair. Let's see, I will just... no, I will not open it. Let just him open it when he wants it. Now I actually recognize the shape of this shampoo bottle. It's from Zenz. I suppose it's some famous brand for shampoo. And of course this is a tryout. The full bottle, it's 230 ml. It's made in Denmark and it says that it's shampoo with conditioning effect. So I suppose you don't need the conditioner with it. It's a treatment shampoo with a scent of caramel, which is perfect. I hope it smells sweet, and it's ideal for dry hair, colored or curly. Okay, here we have a face cream. It's actually in the tube, which reminds me the tubes for to clean your shoes. And again, it's closed, and I just feel I don't want to open it. Let him open it. And I see it's from eCooking, so it was made in Denmark, of course. By the way, I've made a video about eCooking goodie box, so you can check it out. I think they had quite a nice goodie box. Maybe they still have it in sale. This face cream is for men. It says 100 times on the bottle for man in different languages, so it's really for men. It's with a scent of lemon, and you can use it day, night, or after shaving. It moisturizes your skin and is quickly absorbed. Here we have sensitive shave cream, and it's something he already needs, and I bought it in Atos, but I'm sure you can save it longer and he can use it in 1 year. The Real Shaving Co. So it's actually a company with shaving products. It's made in England. I see that this brand is not very expensive. This tube, it costs not more than €6. It's a sensitive shave cream. It creates a rich creamy leather that cushions and lifts bristles away from the skin. And it's for a closer, more comfortable shave without irritation. It contains allantoin to help soothe and moisturize the skin. This kind of mask I think you already recognize. It's from Mikura. It's made in Korea. I think all the masks are made in Korea. I have this suspicion. The color of this mask is black and it makes some bubbles when you put it on your face. I think that's why they thought it's proper to put it in the matte box, because it's black. Our good old known bubble mask, it's from a Copenhagen, so Danish company. It's made in Korea, deep cleansing, gentle makeup remover. Well, I don't think for men it's a gentle makeup remover. And it removes blackheads. Yeah, some men need that, removing of blackheads. They're not concerned about it though. You just rinse your face under lukewarm water. So just make your face a bit wet and clean. And you apply the mask to your face with the holes located next to the eyes and mouth. I think this might be instruction for the men. You know, the holes, it's for your eyes and mouth. And then remove the mask after 5 and 8 minutes when all the bubbles are fully generated. And yes, then gently massage the remaining bubbles into the skin. And the last product, and it would be number 7, in a very nice package. It's from Mr. Bear Family, Beard Brew. Oh, so it's for his beard, and sometimes he has beard, especially during Corona. We have this oil, and I think the box smells with this oil. I can already smell it. Oh, I hope he doesn't mind that I open it. No, for sure he doesn't. Yes, it has this strong smell. Man smells, they are so not easy to describe. It's a smell of wood, I guess, and it's called Woodland. So I think it's actually of the smell of wood. I think this is type of thing they use in expensive salons when they groom the man, very nice haircut, they groom the beard, and then you put a few drops of this oil in your beard. It's made in Sweden. It looks very expensive. I think maybe it's the most expensive product. Actually, this oil is not so expensive. It's a beard oil made from natural oils like almond and argan oil that both soften and condition beard and skin. It also relieves redness, irritation and dry skin. Woodland has a delightful scent of a fresh summer pine forest, and yes, I'm a winner because I said it smells with wood. Your application: wash your beard and face, apply a few drops of beard brew onto your hands and rub it between your palms. Massage the oil into your beard and skin. I paid for this box about €25 because I used my goodie points, but I think normally it costs a bit more than €30. A goodie box is a great present as it is. And this one is especially for men, so I think if you need a present for your brother, your father, or just your friend, this is it. If they don't mind cosmetics, if they use it, this is great value for money, and just visit the website of Goodie Box. I would hope it's still there. I will see you in my next video, and for now, have a good day or night.